tell you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling.
Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be taking you along with me while I build some Ikea furniture. I am going to be building a dresser. I forget the name of it. I will put it on here on the screen so you guys can go check it out if you're interested in what I'm building. But I'm gonna build the dresser because in our living room, well, like I said in previous videos, we are currently living at my mom's house. We moved 2 families into one home, so it's kind of chaos. And I'll actually show you kind of our setup right now as it is, as things are moving along. Like I said, I'm gonna build a dresser so I can get I have a TV stand, but it just looks cluttered and dirty because it doesn't have like cupboards or anything like that, so it looks very cluttered. So I wanted a dresser which is higher up because our toddler likes to touch the bottom of the TV on the TV stand that it's on, so at least if it's a dresser he can't reach it. And then the dresser drawers obviously I'm going to use as storage because, like I said, there's not a whole lot of storage for us here at my mom's home, and we just need a lot more storage. So I am going to be building a Ikea dresser. It's one of those paintable ones, so yeah, let me know in the comments below what color you think I should paint it. I have a few fusion mineral paint colors that I have in mind, but I'm not sure. I might use putty, or there's a green one that I have, like a light green one, which I think is also nice. So I'm kind of deciding between the two of those. Let me know in the comments below which one you think I should do. I don't know if I'll get to painting today anyways. I just really want to organize the living room slash playroom, and like it's like a living room, playroom, office kind of setup. I will show you here what it looks like in a second, but yeah, I just really want to get some more organizing done in that room, so I am going to take you along while I build some furniture and try to organize some stuff. We will see how it goes. But anyways, without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so this is our current setup. Like I said, we're still unpacking and things like that. Say hi. This is the living room part over here. Like I said, this TV stand is a little bit too short. Our toddler touches the TV and stuff, so we're gonna get the dresser built and then kind of hide all of the gaming consoles and stuff in that, and then have it higher and things like that. Nice little fireplace. And then over here I started a little play area, and I'm also gonna get a toddler table for here for our little guy. And then this dresser is gonna be moved over here. These two things here, the rocking chair and the old TV stand, are on Marketplace, so that's gonna go. And then this will be my desk where I'll do my work, and then this little cabinet here is going. And then this was my brother's gaming desk, and my mom left my brother's computer to my oldest son, so this will be his like little corner. And then here, once I get everything kind of organized, I'm just gonna have this bin, or not the bin, but the wooden, what's it called, chest, for like our shoes and stuff like that. And then this basket here has a lot of our like winter gear in it, so I gotta kind of figure out some organization for that because there's not a lot of space up by my mom's front door. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. I know it's a massive mess and I still have lots of work to do, but I'm also in that desk. It's gonna go over here, and I'm gonna put like my Cricut and like crafting stuff in it, and like the kids crafting stuff in it, so we can have that organized. So this will be like desk area, play area, living room. All right, so let's get started on building this dresser. I have this massive box here, and then I have these two, which is that dresser. So that's what we're gonna work on.
We could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Okay, good morning friends. It is the next day. I ended up stopping filming yesterday because I ended up having some pieces of the dresser backwards. So when I went to go put the drawers in, the metal pieces that they slide onto were not lined up. So I had to take the entire dresser apart. Thankfully I didn't have to take any of the drawers apart because those were built perfectly, but the dresser piece itself was not built correctly. So anyways, I didn't end up filming that because first I was mad, and then all I could do was laugh at myself, and then of course when I'm rebuilding it I'm mad at myself again. So it was just like this whole debacle. So I didn't film it, but it's all put together now and I'm gonna paint it. So I decided to go with this fusion mineral paint that I have. I forget the name of it. I'll put it up here on the screen for you if you're interested in knowing what color I use, but it's like a green color. It, like, the paint in the bottle looks a lot lighter than it does on the wood. So if you're gonna use this on something like that IKEA furniture, just keep that in mind. It does dry darker, but I like it so far. I mean, I only got a little bit painted on there on the bottom half because I had it flipped upside down so I could paint that before I put the drawers and stuff in it, and you would have saw that in like yesterday's clips anyways. But anyways, so the plan today is to hopefully finish painting that, and it should only take one coat because the bottom part only took one coat. It seems pretty good, so I'm hoping I have enough paint, fingers crossed, to at least do one coat on there, and then hopefully I can get it all organized and kind of like take you guys along with me while I try to do that. If it dries fast enough today, I will hopefully get that filmed today. I'm off my filming schedule. Today is actually supposed to be, I was supposed to upload a video today, but I am behind. There's just a lot of things going on with the move and some like health appointments that we had to go to and things like that. So I am behind on everything, and so let's just get into painting this. Hopefully I can get it done today and get that organized and bring you guys along with me for this second half of this video, and hopefully it all goes well. Fingers crossed, because yesterday was going really well and then I built it wrong. So, and then my husband made fun of me because I built it wrong, but anyways, jokingly made fun of me. But anyways, let's just jump right into this and get painting.
To the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through.
Okay, so this is how everything is looking right now. I have everything kind of tidied up. I have some stuff organized in the drawers. I vacuumed a little bit, and so this is like the living room area, and then this is going to be like the playroom slash desk, and then Chase's desk is over here. This is still a work in progress. I still need to get rid of some things. I'm going to get rid of this TV stand here. This is Cooper's toddler bed. I still have some boxes to unpack. This TV stand is going, like I said, and then so this is what this side looks like. So we still have a lot of stuff that we still need to get done, but it is coming along, and this is where I'm at right now. Now Cooper has a little play area, which is kind of nice, and obviously it's not all finished, so I will be working on it and things like that. And I do need to paint in here, like I said, so it's a work in progress, but this makes me happy because now everything is organized and doesn't look so messy. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, so that is all to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy decor videos, thrifting videos, decorating, things like that. I do lots of those types of videos here on this channel, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.